Good afternoon. My name is Michael Ryden. I'm an ACG 2021. My U number is 57163016. And today I'll be going over a little bit about the cat manufacturing company and what their sales have been looking like over the past 3 years. So, starting off, the total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020. So, if we look, let's deselect Russia here. 2020 is right here, third quarter here, so that'd be $7,999,212. Cool. On the next one, total sales revenue for the medical category in the second quarter of 2021. So let's look right here. More specifically, the second quarter right there. So that would be $457,117. All right, let's back out. And then the next category is going to be the product with the highest sales in 2019 under the materials processing category. So 2019 in materials processing category. And then what's the highest sales by product line? That's Pulse YT right here. They did about $2.5 million of sales in 2019 already. So the top product line for the Germany division in 2019. So we just click Germany right here. Top product line for the Germany division. So let's deselect materials processing. And there we go, we get low YT right here. Now moving on to 2020. The second quarter, which quarter had the highest telecom sales in the UK? So let's change to UK here. Telecom sales 2020. So which quarter was the highest? So we see this dot is the highest right here. So second quarter did, and the dollar value of that is $157,968, as you can see labeled right above the dot. So which customer was their cat manufacturing's top customer in the fourth quarter of 2020? So that's going to be right here. Let's deselect these things. Here's their top customer. So top right here, Boise Company, almost $500,000 ahead of the next highest company. Pretty cool. The last part is the cat manufacturing's top customer for the Russia division in 2021. So we got Russia division down here selected, 2021 up here, and that would be the Church Seal Company, far ahead of the next highest company as well. I think if you examine this dashboard as a whole, there's a lot of useful information to learn and glean from it. I think that it can be used to find a little bit about like what areas can cat manufacturing grow in. For example, you look at Korea here, they only have really one product line being pushed out to Korea right now, so that could really we could figure out ways to get into our other products into that market. Looking at India, the same kind of situation as Korea, where you just have one product line that's mainly being pushed out to there. And then Russia looks a lot healthier, more like what we want to see, I think, with a nice diversity of products. And at this point, it's just how can we start to spread this across the market a little more, and how can we just grow the market that we already have out there. So yeah, pretty cool stuff.